Hey, another great day at the Solomon Trading Institute, powered by Money Market Edge. Hey, listen, if you want to know more about what we do, go ahead and book a call, and we love to talk to you. Really enjoy the conversations that I've had so far with you. It is interesting that sometimes you believe one thing until you get more information. And I think that the more information that a person has, the better the quality of their decision will be. It's important that you understand and recognize that this disclaimer is relevant and it is real and it is required. Relevant, real, and it's a requirement by the United States government, so that there won't be any unscrupulous people making promises which would cause everybody to make a run to the bottom, and it would upset our economic system. So definitely we can't do that. So we want to make sure that you have an opportunity to read this. You can pause this video and look at that a little bit deeper if you would like to. Today in our live tech education room, it was a great day. It was a 1K day is what we like to call it. And I want to look at the proof charts for today. So today, here's our first chart that we see, and we actually show our chart so that we can say, hey, look, not only did we make the money, but we actually show exactly where on the chart it was. As you can see, there's some chart markings here. 1, 2, 3, 5, and 4 is on another chart because we have a 5-step process to our trading plan. We have both a trading plan and a growth plan. So here's the first opportunity on today, and the potential alternative says to make sure that whenever I mention my money, to use the word potential. So that's exactly what I am going to do. So $150 potential on this particular trade today. That was trade number 1 that happened around 8:47 Central Standard Time. Trade number 2, didn't have to wait much longer. So this was the next trade that we can see here. So we see that there's an opportunity there, and there was $150 potential on that trade. We separate or divide our trading sessions up. So here's the next 30-minute trading session, and here's the next trade here, $150 potential there. Moving right along, so at 9:30, we break up the session again. So we move to another session. So here at $150 potential on this particular trade here. Here is $100 potential on this particular trade here. So doing the market recap, you can count it up. You got 1, you got 2, you got 3, you got 4, and this is step number 5. Same here. You got 1, number 2, number 3. Step 4 is on the other chart. It's number 5. So basically, you'll be taught this process so that you'll be able to enter into the trades, that show up on a daily basis. Here we well, this is real life, so I forgot to cut the phone off. Guess what? Here we go. So $100 potential on this trade, $225 potential on this trade. So, well, why is one trade more than the next trade? Well, it's because of the room that is available in the trade. And so one of the things that we have in terms of our rules is that we don't trade through areas. We don't trade through areas. And because we don't trade through areas, sometimes some trades, sometimes we only can make a certain amount on a particular trade because we want to make sure that we are not trading through areas of trouble. So for example, so here are our violations: 1, missing a good entry; 2, entering late; 3, exiting for no reason; 4, moving stop to lock in profit in the middle of nowhere. You're not at an area or price action. Here's the 5, 6, 7, and 8, exiting late and keeping the most of the profit, trading against the direction, trading against an area. And so this is the one I'm talking about and highlighting here. So when you see some trades, you're able to make more in some trades than you can in other trades. So it's important to recognize that there is a ratio. Some trades will go further than other trades, but you all have an opportunity to participate in what we do. So for example, here in this particular trade, this red line represents an area of trouble, an area of high volume activity. So we can only get 20 ticks out of this one. And as you can see, this one, you're able to get 45 ticks because of the room that's available from the entry to what we call the prime liquidity line, or an area from our higher time frame charts that present itself as being troublesome. So here you get 20, here you get 45, and that is the disparity between how much you can make per trade. So today, long story short, was a 1K day. $1,025 per contract was available on the charts on today. Again, what do you get when you get with us? You get daily Q&A sessions. That means every single day somebody will talk with you. You have a software that's going to give you statistical absolutes and also give you an edge, because 85% of all market activity now is being done by algorithms or some kind of mechanism outside of just you drawing on a chart. And so strategy, we give you that so that you will have some consistency. There's a consistent strategy every single day. There's a consistent way you forecast, a consistent way you recognize conditions being favorable, a consistent way of entry based on our 5-step entry criteria. That is a consistent way we manage the trades. How are you managing one target, two targets? Are you managing tight? Are you managing loose? So there's a consistent way that you decide that you want to do that, and then a consistent way to exit, right? For small losses or gains, whichever one presents itself. Now, support. We have support. That means you'll never go through a week or a month without being able to talk directly to someone. Coach's pledge, our coach's pledge is that we believe that your income and your outcome is more important than ours. And that's just a fact. And then, of course, that leads to success. Hey, listen, I'd love to have an opportunity to talk with you. Can you imagine following our growth plan where you start with $500 and you attempt to make 3% each and every day, not counting weekends. And guess what? This is what we have at the end of the year. Now, here's the thing about it. You don't make that all at one time. So let's just say day one, you're just making $15 and you will continue to do that and continue to do that until you get all the way here. The fastest way to grow money is to grow it slowly. And that's what we want to teach you. And that's what we want to show you, because our economic system is one that allows us to participate in money markets. And so we're thankful for that, our senators and our congressmen allowing us to participate in the economic system as just a regular retail day trader. Some people are not even trading their own money. They're working with a prop firm that we have a connection with, and they're able to intern there basically for 15 days. And once you do that, then they give you $200,000 so that you can trade that money, and they allow you to keep a great percentage of that. But if you are trading your own money, this is the best screen that I've ever seen in my the transfer would be on the way. If you want to know more information about what we do, moneymarketedge.com would be the website of choice. And also you can text the word 94253. Text the word profits with an S to 94253 for more information. Hey, listen, until next time, God bless you. It's the will of God that you prosper, period.